Olympiad math problem. We will solve this problem. This is the Olympiad math problem. We will try to solve this problem easily. We will try solution. If we solution this problem, we have to write 4x and find out x value of x, and 4 power x plus 3 equal 130. Then we may write 4 power x, and we will broken these terms according to the formula of indices, and we will write 4 power x dot 4 power 3 130, and this is the formula of a power m plus n equal a power m dot a power n according to this formula. And then we will write, we may common this 4 power x, 4 power x. It may write this is the 1, and 4 power 3 130, and then we may write 4 power 3, we may write 64, because the power 4 power 3 4 multiply 4 and 4, then it makes 64. Then we may write 4 power x, and we'll add these terms. It makes 65 130. Yeah. And we may write the next line, 4 power x 65. We have to divide on the both side with 65. Divide 65 on the both side. Then we may cancel 65 and 65. And if we divide 65 by 130, it makes 2. Then write 4 power x 2. And if we solve these terms, and we may write 2 power 2 whole power x 2, and write 2 power 2x equal to, we may take 1 power, and this is the formula of a power m whole power n equal a power m n according to this formula. And then we may write, if we cancel 2 and 2, the base 2 and 2 equal 2x equal 1, then x equal 1 by 2. This is the result.